Hello English learners, my name is Alice and welcome to our third video where we're going to talk about collective nouns for objects. If you have missed the first two videos, I will leave you a link so you can watch them later. Let's start. The first word I bring you today is a pack. A pack is a group, a set, or a collection of something. For example, we can talk about a pack of cards, a pack of cigarettes, or a pack of biscuits. For instance, she was so starving that she had the whole pack of biscuits on her own. The second word I bring you today is fleet. We use the word fleet to talk about ships. So a fleet is a group of ships. For instance, the fleet of ships sailed gracefully across the sea. The third word I bring you today is a bunch. A bunch is a number of things of the same type that are fastened together or in a close group. Here we can talk about a bunch of flowers, a bunch of bananas, or a bunch of keys. For instance, the florist arranged a beautiful bunch of flowers for the wedding. The following word is a cluster. A cluster is a group of similar things that are close to each other or sometimes surrounding something. Here we can talk about a cluster of grapes, a cluster of galaxies, or a cluster of fast food restaurants. For example, the vineyard had a lovely cluster of grapes ready for harvest. The next word is a pile. A pile is a mass of something, a lot of something that has been placed somewhere. We can talk about a pile of clothes, a pile of books, or a pile of sand. The pile can be organized or it can be unorganized. For instance, she neatly folded the clothes and placed it in a tall pile. The following word is a stack. A stack is a pile of things arranged one on the top of another, so it's an organized pile. We can talk about a stack of books or a stack of newspapers. For instance, the librarian organized the book in a neat stack on the shelf. The next word is a bundle. A bundle is a number of objects that have been fastened together or held together. Here we can talk about a bundle of sticks, a bundle of clothes, a bundle of books or newspapers. For instance, he tied a neat bundle of sticks together to build a campfire. And the last collective noun I bring you today is bouquet. Bouquet is a group of flowers that have been fastened together and attractively arranged so they can be given as a present or carried on formal occasions. For instance, the bride carried a stunning bouquet of flowers for her wedding day. This is the end of our video. If you've got other examples of collective nouns, I invite you to write them down in the comment box. And if you want to see more videos like this, I invite you to follow my channel. Bye bye for now.